Welcome guys, in this new lesson we are going to learn how to make a zoom effect into our video file. For example, I have a sample video right here and I want to make a narrow focus to my face. In order to do that, we are coming to animation section. In animation section, for example, I want to make it right here. I'm arranging my frame, I'm making it narrow to my face, I'm looking at a closer approach to my face. For example, let's play it.
Hello guys, I'm Onur Karakaya, I'm a Turkish citizen, and let me talk about my English specifications first.
For example, as you see, I made a narrow focus, narrow approach to my face. But I want to go back to normal. Right here, for example, I'm making the scale to fit to the previous screen frame.
Data program.
So watch that again.
Hello guys, I'm Onur Karakaya, I'm a Turkish citizen, and let me talk about my English specifications first. I'm studying business administration for 4 years and I've been a part of the business mobility program.
So it appears I made a narrow focus to my face, made a zoom effect and went back to normal screen frame, right?